And you keep saying bop. Look at those peas. Bop. And saying bop. And you look confused. Look, there's a herring gull. I mean, a blessed blackback one. What are you yapping about? That one's already got his black feathers on his face. Oh look, there is a swans. There's a pigeon. What are you doing? Pigeon. What are you saying? Are you yapping? What's this one saying? He's like confused. He's like, oh, I'm not even part of the right species. What are you saying bop bops for? Look at these seagulls. What are you doing? Pretending to be a ducks? What are you saying, yap? What are you saying? This one keeps yapping. Bop bop. Why'd you keep saying bop bops? What are you saying, bop bops? Why'd you keep saying bop bops? Why'd you keep saying bop bops? Bop bops. Oh look, there's this one's. Oh yeah. What are you saying? You looking for some more foods, or yeah?